In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add favicon in Squarespace. A favicon is that tiny icon you see in your browser tab, bookmarks, and sometimes on mobile home screens. It's a small detail that makes your site look professional and instantly recognizable. By the end, you'll have your custom favicon uploaded and saved, ready to appear across your site. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Squarespace. On the home page, click Login. Sign in with your account credentials and complete any verification if prompted. Once you're in, you'll see your list of sites on the dashboard. Choose the website you want to update. Then click Go to Website to open that site's editor and settings area. Inside your site, look toward the lower portion of the interface for the settings gear icon. Click that to open the main settings panel. In the website settings, find the favicon option. This is where Squarespace stores the small icon that browsers use. If you don't see one yet, that means you'll be adding it fresh. If there's already one there, you can replace it with your new file. Click Add a favicon, then select Upload File. From your computer, choose the image you want to use. For best results, use a square image, ideally at least 256 by 256 or 512 by 512 pixels, so it looks crisp on high-resolution screens. PNG files with a transparent background usually work great, but JPG and ICO files are acceptable as well. Keep the design simple and high contrast since the icon displays at very small sizes. Avoid lots of tiny text or thin lines and make sure there's a bit of padding around the edges so the icon doesn't look cramped. After the file uploads and you see the preview update, click Save. That's it for the setup. In many cases, you'll notice the new favicon in your browser tab right away, but sometimes it can take a few minutes to refresh. If it doesn't appear immediately, try opening your site in a new tab, a private or incognito window, or a different browser to bypass caching. You can also clear your browser cache if needed. On mobile devices, the change can take a bit longer to propagate, so give it a little time. Now your Squarespace site has a clean, branded favicon that helps visitors recognize your site at a glance. If you manage multiple sites, just repeat these same steps for each one. Thanks for watching and enjoy your polished new look.